सारे बर्ड्स यहाँ पे, बहुत सारी बर्ड स्पीशीज वी गॉट टू एक्सप्लोर. इनफैक्ट 4 nights में भी देयर आर सो मेनी अदर स्पीशीज जो हमें वापस एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए विल हैव टू कम बैक. एंड द अदर थिंग इज कि बड़ा मैंगो फार्म है यहाँ पे. एंड दिस इज बेसिकली वेरी गुड फॉर मतलब nature lovers. It's so peaceful, calm and nature centric. And the other thing is the entire team and the staff is very cooperative and helpful. Rooms भी very neat and clean and food भी बहुत ही अच्छा है. So we'll definitely recommend to all our friends to visit here.
Thank you.
So I think Blue Birding Lodge is one of the best lodges if you want to feel the nature. The cottages are really excellent. It offers a view which is magnificent. The mango farms, the birds, I think you can just sit outside in the chair and just look at all the birds from morning to evening. I think maybe 1 day, 2 day, all of them will be too less once you come here. This place really offers you a natural scenic beauty. It is peaceful, it is calm, and definitely the staff supplements here the requirements of every guest here. So I think this is a must come place for any bird watcher, and you have an in-house naturalist also who helps you identify all sorts of birds. So yeah, pack your camera, pack your bags, and I think Gir Birding Lodge is the best place to come down any season.
And the another best part is it shares its wall with the Gir National Park. So there are 100% chances of wildlife sightings as well as the bird species which are not explored any other place.
So don't just look at the lions. I think there is a far more nature feel which you will get here. You will get a lot of birds and you will get real peaceful environment.
This is actually the place for the bird watchers who are really interested for bird watching. And we also spotted in our safari 6 lions. So that was just an icing on the cake. So do visit here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.